changing, releasing form. What completes its cycle fades gently, making space for what is reborn. Nothing here is fixed forever. Nothing here is meant to stay. Renewal moves beneath the awareness, quietly reshaping every day. I allow the process to continue. I trust the timing I cannot see. What renews itself naturally supports stability. I am always renewing, rebuilding from within. What completes its purpose clears the way again. Restoration moves through my system in a steady, balanced flow. I allow regeneration, and my strength continues to grow. Every moment carries renewal. Every pause prepares repair. What dissolves becomes foundation. Use again in another layer. Nothing here resists completion. Nothing ends without return. Regeneration is the pattern that supports how I function and learn. I release fear around change. I stay present with the flow. What renews itself continuously already knows. I am always renewing, rebuilding from within. What completes its purpose clears the way again. Restoration moves through my system in a steady, balanced flow. I allow regeneration, and my strength continues to Renewal does not require effort. It responds to calm and trust. When I align with natural cycles, balance adjusts. I am always used to.